Now you just got me picking some wildflowers for my table. Outdoor cooking cannot be complete without maybe some creativeness of candles and a book. Clear this month, and even now the mornings are cooler, so I decided to make an outdoor Mexican hash breakfast. So let's get the fire going, and we'll walk you through a quick recipe. First, I crisped up a few pieces of bacon. Once that was complete, I removed it from the pan and began the next step. I saved you the boring details of chopping up the veggies that are added, which are diced potato, tomato, some jalapeno pepper, some onions, and whole kernel corn. For spice, I just added salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic Greek seasoning. Then I continued to let this frazzle, stirring on occasion, until the diced potatoes had a little bit of a darker crust. That all depends on what you like, your personal taste. A version of Mexican style hash with the diced potato, fresh corn niblets, green hot pepper, onions and tomato, diced, salt, pepper, garlic to taste. Letting that simmer up. Probably gonna fancy it up with an egg, and might even go for some cheese and bacon, which ordinarily is not included, but a lot of people use the ground beef or the pork sausage. I'm just letting that get crisp on there. Let it go through, not be much longer. And this Mexican hash breakfast will be ready to eat. Add some Tex-Mex jalapeno blend of cheese. With a little bit of cheddar. What the? How about a lot? Yeah, it's going to be really good. me some breakfast.